guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really fun video and it is a Stitch Fix unboxing, but it is a Stitch Fix Kids. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is my second box through Stitch Fix, through their kids box, and I am just blown away. So you can add a kid on your Stitch Fix account, your existing account, and just go ahead and make a profile for them. So it is the same concept as the regular profile. So every box is gonna come with a little card, little style card, and in here it says, "Hi Scarlett, hip hip hooray, it's time for another fix day. I hope you're soaking up some springtime sun and ready to step into summer with some fresh new styles. I know you love fancy styles you can wear with your tiara, so I made sure to find some styles that were fit for a princess and thought we'd kick it off with some colorful unicorn tutu dress. I think you're going to love running and twirling in this dress, and I know it'll look super cute with these glittery pink sneakers. Have fun in the sun. Caitlin, P.S. How are these fitting? And let me know what your favorite is so far." And then she leaves a note to check in with Scarlett's mom, which would be me. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys everything that is in this box. So Scarlett has already seen some of these pieces and she's already told me what she wants. So I told her she can go ahead and pick 2 items out of this box. So I'm gonna share with you guys everything. So this is the first dress and it is so freaking cute. It is called the Kinsley Tutu dress and this is in a size 5. You guys, this is precious. It has a little unicorn head and this like rainbow tulle bottom. And this cute little tie on the back, you guys. She fell in love with this. And the price point on this dress is $30 and she has recently gotten into that store Justice, and the prices for Stitch Fix Kids and Justice are pretty much the same. So if I'm gonna purchase something for her that's $30, it's gonna be something that she absolutely loves. And when she saw this, her face like lit up. So I was like, all right, that's a keeper. Okay, so the second thing that is in this box is called Peace Love World. It is a cold shoulder top. And first of all, the material is super soft. So it's not like a very itchy material, which I appreciate for her. And it just has this like white flower on it and it says, "I am happiness," and it has a little cold shoulder right here. I probably won't keep this for her because we're in Southern California and we're just getting into the summertime, so I don't really think that is a practical piece to be purchasing. So the next thing in here is a denim jacket, and this is from Cotton On Kids, and I've actually never, I didn't know Cotton On even made kids stuff. So this is a just a denim jacket right here. I don't think I'm gonna get this for her because she doesn't like really like tight type fabrics. If you know what I'm talking about, like they're very structured and like fitted and stuff like that. So I don't really think that this is gonna be something that she would like to wear. Anytime I'm getting clothes for Scarlett, I ask myself, is she gonna be comfortable sitting in class with this? Is she gonna be comfortable going to the park in this? Like I always have her comfort and her modesty in mind. I don't want her, you know, dressing like she's 30 years old with crop tops and all that stuff. And I wanna make sure that she is comfortable. So the next thing in the box are these Cotton On shoes. So these are so cute, you guys. So this is the second thing from the box that she chose that she wants to go ahead and pick out. I'm always hesitant on buying her shoes like this because her feet is just growing like crazy. So I'm like, how long is she going to be in those shoes? But I agree, they're just super cute. So the next thing in here is a Julius Keela Flutter sleeve top, and the colors right here are just spot on for the summertime. So you have a purple, an orange, and like a light blue, and I love the little like ruffle top right here, and there's a little like keyhole back, so super cute, love that. All right, so the next thing in here is Stella and Sienna. It's the Josephina cross front maxi dress. And it is a red and blue print, and it has that like crisscross detail in the front right here, if you can see that. So very spot on with trends. And I just love the pattern of the blue flowers with the red. I think this would be really cute for her for like 4th of July. And it's just super cute. And Scarlett like lives in dresses. That's like her go-to is a dress. So the next thing in here is from Habitual Girl, and it is a off the shoulder, cold shoulder type top right here. And it has, I don't even know what to call this. I love the print of it, but like I said, like I don't want Scarlett dressing. I don't want Scarlett wearing tops that I would, because I feel like that's just giving the wrong attention to her. Like, I don't know, like stuff like this, I feel like is a little bit too adult for her. And I don't want her dressing like she's 30 years old. Well, or, you know, in her 20s. I think you guys know what I'm trying to say. I just don't know if this is something appropriate for a 5-year-old to be wearing. So I don't think that I will go with that for her. But I love this. This is the 918 Olivia French Terry ruffle skirt. And it is a black little skirt with white stars. And I think this is just super fun. Love the ruffles, love the stars, love that. Okay, so the next thing in here is a little dress. And this, I would wear this. This is the Persea Girl ruche tie sleeve knit skater dress in light gray. So this is a gray and white striped dress, and again it has that like crisscross detail up at the front, and I really like the sleeves on here with the little tie and the ruching right here, and it's just a really cute little skater skirt. This is definitely something she would wear to school or just hanging out, so I absolutely love that. And then the next thing is by Hudson, and it's the Cien patchwork shorts. So they have a little patch detail on the shorts. So it looks like we have a diamond, we have a lipstick, I think, and love, pizza, lips, and a heart with nope. So these are the little shorts right here. All right, so that is everything that came in the box, and then there are these little stickers for Scarlett to go ahead and play with. So I'm gonna go ahead and look at the price sheet and share with you guys everything. So if you sign up with my link below, you're gonna get a free $25. So that is really great on how you can save on some of the clothes. So the skater skirt, the light gray skater skirt, this is $22. So I think that's pretty fair for that type of dress. Okay, so the Olivia French Terry skirt, the black and white star skirt, this is $20. The cold shoulder, the light blue cold shoulder top, this is $24. The Josephina Cross maxi dress, this is $26. The Cotton On shoes, the pink metallic shoes, $20. And, you know, Target sells their kids' shoes around that neighborhood. So definitely going to keep those. The Hudson patchwork jeans, $28. And this little ruffle top right here, the purple and blue striped top, this is $18. I really like that for her, so I'm going to keep that too. The Cotton On denim jacket, this is $34. No way in heck would I pay $34 for a kid's denim jacket. Can't do it. So that's 100% going back. No way, Jose. Okay, the cold shoulder sweater is $24. Now I think this is cute. It's definitely a soft material, but like I said, it's just not practical for the season we're in. And then this dress right here, Scarlett, come here, honey. What do you think of this dress, Scarlett?
Hey.
What do you think of your rainbow dress? Is this what you want to keep from your box?
Yeah.
Here, come tell us.
Yes.
Is this what you want to keep?
Yes.
Okay. So as you can see, she loves rainbows. So can you say hi to Caitlin? Say hi, Caitlin.
Hi, Caitlin.
Can you say thank you for picking out this beautiful dress?
Thank you for picking out this beautiful dress.
So is this what you want to keep out of everything from your box?
Yeah.
Okay. Happy birthday, Scarlett. Give me a kiss. So Scarlett's birthday is June 19th, so she's having a rainbow birthday party, so I think this is the perfect dress for Scarlett to be wearing for her rainbow birthday party. So yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and get that for her as well. What we're keeping in this box are these pink shoes because she saw these shoes and she absolutely wanted to keep these as well. You like these shoes, right, Scarlett?
Yeah, and this is for my cake, my rainbow cake.
Yeah.
And we'll put it on and then I'll take it.
Yeah, because today's June 2nd, so it's almost your birthday. And then the other thing that we're gonna go ahead and keep for her is this Julie's Keela flutter sleeve top. So we're gonna go ahead and keep 3 pieces out of this fix. So something that's unique about Stitch Fix is if you keep everything in your box, then you're gonna get 25% off of everything that is in your box. So if I was to keep, so the total cost of everything is $248. And if I kept everything, it's a $62 discount. So everything would be $186 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces of clothing, 10 pieces of kids clothing, which I don't think is bad because if you go into Justice, you'll see like skirts for like 40 bucks. So if your girls are really into Justice, maybe opt to getting them a Stitch Fix Kids box because as you can see, they had some really cute things for the girls. So yeah, that is everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Stitch Fix Kids. If you guys would like me to do a Stitch Fix Kids for boys, let me know because I have 2 boys. I have a 3-year-old and I have a 1-year-old, so I could definitely do a Stitch Fix Kids boys box. And I am actually really pleased with everything in here. I got Scarlett a few items from Stitch Fix back in March, and the things have held out really well. They've washed really well, and she's loved wearing everything. So for, you know, once every 3-4 months getting something from Stitch Fix Kids I think is fun for the mom because let's be honest, when it comes to purchasing kids clothes, the kids don't really care. Mostly it's moms who care, moms and dads who care about, you know, picking their clothes out because it's the fun part of being a mom is picking their clothes out. But it's also really fun for them because her excitement over this rainbow dress, she's going to be excited to wear this every single time she puts it on. So I'm so excited for her to have a special dress just like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel and I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.